I'm TV6 meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and here is your latest Weather on Demand forecast. Well, spring is rapidly approaching now, just hours away for the big countdown, and we have thunder and lightning in the area. How exciting. Nature is starting to react to springtime coming in just a few hours. And of course, eastern UP, though, is starting to see some snow. We've seen it all tonight. We've seen rain, we've seen snow, we've seen a little bit of sleet, we've seen some graupel, which is basically sleet. And then we saw some lightning as well. But track this out for you here. There's a line going all the way through Wisconsin and now in northern Canada here, and that is all rain. Warmer air is making progress from west to east. But east of that line, we still see a lot of snow, and it's coming down pretty good in Schoolcraft County, eastern Marquette County, Alger County as well. But notice off to the west, we are starting already to clear things out, and this is going to be very short-lived. It's fast and furious, bing, bang, boom, and then we're going to be out of this pattern and on to Monday, on the first day of spring, and temperatures are going to feel pretty nice. Winds, though, 25-mile-an-hour gusting from the south, 31 from Copper Harbor, so they are getting pretty gusty at the moment as well. Directions are all out of the south. That will change, however, as we are going to be ushering in northwesterly winds for Monday. So yes, areas right along Lake Superior are going to be just a touch cooler than places inland. And that was not the case today because wind directions were out of the south. We see that temperatures managed to reach 36 from Manistee and Newberry, 40 at the National Weather Service in Marquette. And by the way, for the record here, you can always tack on about 3 degrees from the National Weather Service in Negaunee Township, and as opposed to Marquette City proper, just because of 800 feet difference in elevation. So generally it's about 3 degrees colder up at the Weather Service. 41 though in Houghton, and how about 47 from Ironwood? A sign of things to come, that is for certain, as the colder air now is starting to shift off to the east. Part of the reason why we saw thunder and lightning is because we are starting to see two seasons battling it out, and there was a lot of moisture in the higher levels of the atmosphere, number one. Number two, we had a little shortwave disturbance cross through the area, which of course raised our chances to see clouds and a little bit of storms there. But it is much warmer off to the south and west, so another pattern change as we progress through March here. Here's a closer look, and now you can see it all the way on the other side of the country line there in Ontario. So there are some cloud covers off to the west as well, but just going to be more like sprinkles for the overnight hours. But let's fast forward you here onto Monday. We are going to see very mild temperatures across much of upper Michigan. The only exception to that are going to be right along Lake Superior as the northwesterly winds blow. And that means local cooling going on around Lake Superior. So it could be 10 degrees difference, maybe near 40 around that Great Lake there, but near 50 inland, and not too far inland either. By I'd say Gwinn, we're going to see temperatures in the upper 40s. Tuesday, different story. Secondary cold front marches its way eastward, and we're talking about much colder temperatures. Actually very cold for this time of the year, and yeah, a little bit of lake effect snow as well, mainly around the Great Lakes, but again, 1 to 2 inches of snow, not going to be a huge deal as much drier air comes its way in. So here are your temperatures for Monday, first day of astronomical spring there. 41 north, near 50 south. We will see a lot of sunshine with some filtered clouds in between throughout the afternoon, but in the north we will see some more clouds, temperatures suppressed only in the low 40s. Your TV 6-day forecast now is going to show you a couple different seasons here. First of all, we'll take you through spring, appropriately so tomorrow, but then we plummet in the 20s on Tuesday. Wednesday, we clear things out near 30 degrees. Thursday, we rise into the upper 30s. And Friday, how about 40 degrees and a rain-snow mix as we are tracking the next winter storm. We're going to miss the brunt of that one, but we are going to see a little bit of changeover Friday night into Saturday.